Hello everybody and welcome back to the Daily Transmission. Today, with the help of Valet Pro, we are going to be showing you how to clean and protect the canvas on your Poptop. Cleaning your camper van is just like any other vehicle. Yes, you might need a step ladder to get on top of the roof or to clean the Poptop, whatever it may be. And there's loads of products for that. However, we've never really found a product to help you clean and then protect the canvas of your Poptop. Today what we've got is this range of drop top cleaner and drop top protector. Now these are designed for the canvas roofs of a convertible car. But it basically works in the same. Say good morning to the horses, by the way. It works the same. We have got a canvas on this van here. And you can already see, because we've washed the van already, you can already see that the water is actually beading on that canvas. However, this van's been with us a little while whilst we've been building it. Before it goes to its owner, we want to just clean that canvas and then give it some further protection, much like you would do with a waterproof coat or a pair of boots or something like that. As you've seen then, we have already washed the vehicle behind me. We started off with Dragon's Breath on the wheels. That all goes a really cool purple colour. Then you rinse them off. We did the citrus pre-wash where we sprayed the whole vehicle down just to absorb into that dirt. Then we washed the whole vehicle down by hand with the Advanced Poseidon Concentrate Car Wash. Then rinse the van down, ready to be able to concentrate on the Poptop. What we're going to do with this product then is we are going to rinse the Poptop canvas first. So we've got a jet wash and we're going to adjust it down so it's just spraying a mist rather than a really hard jet wash. We're going to dampen the surface, then we're going to spray the cleaner on that canvas. We're going to agitate the dirt and the actual canvas itself with either a soft brush, a harder sponge. If you've got a particularly dirty canvas, you may want to get one of these scrubbing brushes on it. It gets really deep down into the grains of the fibre. And then we're going to rinse it down. Once it's rinsed down and we've let it dry, we may even use a microfiber towel to just assist with the drying off. We are going to be spraying the Poptop protector on it. Now, when you do that, you are spraying again onto a moist canvas that's clean and free of dirt, which we've done with this one here. And then once it's sprayed on, if you've got any overspray on any of the car at all, including the glass, get that wiped off straight away. Then you leave your Poptop up for up to 12 hours. They recommend 12 hours in the dry, so that protector will then set into that fabric and then will give you the waterproof protectant on that canvas. So without further ado, let's get straight on with it. So if you've got a jet wash or even a hose, we don't want to be spraying the canvas really hard, just in case yours is a bit weak, if you've got an older canvas, or you know, it might have any pinholes in it. So what we're going to do, we're going to have it on a mist. Obviously that's really hard, but we want it more of a mist, so when we come to spraying it, we're not penetrating right into it. And also what you want to do is be careful of those opening windows. So I'm going to start with that now. Applying the cleaner then is super easy. It's literally spray and agitate. Now, I probably put a bit too much on there actually, but as you can see, I'm using the small detailing brush, and I think that's just about right actually. What I did do was prepare this sponge, and I think that could work. This is just a clean mitt that's damp. And I guess that could work as well if your canvas isn't that dirty. But if you do have an older, really dirty canvas, then using the brush on it wouldn't be too much of a problem. We're not going to use it because it's literally a brand new canvas. So let me show you with both. Have a bit of spray on the sponge. Works really nicely. And this is just to get dust and debris off. Say before winter storage or something. Or even before the season starts, you know, the actual canvas has been in storage for a while, or the whole van's been in storage over winter. Maybe it's got a little bit of mildew or mold on it. So what you're going to do is give it a clean. There you go, got the sponge, it's working really nicely. And then, as you can see, the bubbles do start to disappear and then we'll give it a rinse. So what I'm going to do now is go around the whole roof, spray this on, give it a bit of a sponge bath, and then we'll come back round with the jet cleaner, jet wash, spray it down, and then we'll add the protector. We have now rinsed, washed, rinsed off and dried the canvas. So I'm happy that it's completely clean and free from dirt, and now it's drier. It asks you to spray on the protector onto a slightly damp canvas so it gets to penetrate in, and that's what we're going to do now. Well, I've got to do it quickly because the wind and the sunlight, not necessarily the temperature, but the wind and the sunlight is drying this out quite quickly. So I'm going to go over this now, spray it all down, and then it advises to leave the canvas in the upright position in a dry environment for at least 12 hours. So once we've done this, and again, before I forget, if this sprays onto any of the bodywork or glass, remove it immediately. And they say onto the glass, especially the windscreen, because it might make your windscreen smear. So spray this onto the canvas all the way around nice and quickly. Then I'm going to get the jet wash out, rinse down the whole body, maybe even give it another sponge off. Then we're going to let it drip dry outside, maybe mop it off with a brand new microfiber towel, and then drive it in. And that's all we're going to do. And there we have it. We have a completely clean and protected roof canvas. Before I finish, I'm just going to let that drip dry a little bit, and then I'll go over the whole van with a microfiber towel, dry it off nicely before I park it inside for 12 hours and completely let that canvas cure. If you'd like to buy that product, we'll leave a link down below to the Valet Pro website. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching this episode of The Daily Transmission. Please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future episodes. If you'd like to check out the playlist for this series or any other, please head down to the description where you will find a link. If you'd like to support Combe Valley Campers, head over to our website at www.combevalleycampers.co.uk, where you will find links to our web store and our Patreon page. Please follow us in between episodes at our Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.